What is up, people? That's a weird intro. Okay, we're playing Jailbreak, so what's up? Look up, guys. Oh, can I move my? You guys can't see, but there's so little criminals. I gotta move a webcam. There, see? It's right there. Show detail. Yeah, guys. So gotta be a criminal. Yeah, guys. I joined the new Barbie. I move my. Give you guys a second. There's my username. What's your key card? Oh, someone's. Oh, come on. Got key. What? Oh, a floating key card. Hacker. Guys, I'm out. Okay, guys, I gotta move my webcam back. Funny. Gotta zoom out of here. Oh, it's fall. Oh yeah, the fall update. Show you guys something. Can't break the rules in this. Paycheck! Woo! 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 We call it the bacon car. I call this the bacon car. Got a lot of different skins. We like bacons. The noob army likes bacons and noobs. We used to be the bacon army. I wasn't included. I feel like pizza. I think I'm gonna go get some pizza. Sadly they didn't bring. They didn't sell pizza. I could do something. Okay, why not? Guys, what just happened? We just getting followed. Whoa. Oh, this actually looks like a cool view. Okay, let's get my shotgun. Could go rob the bank. Crap. Who never likes the bank? The shotgun's like the best gun in the game, guys. Hey! There's pros. I'm a criminal. I gotta get some. Yeah. What just? Hey guys, look. Nest. A little funny. Yeah. Hey guys, I gotta go somewhere. Find a cop because I gotta keep. Go get some. I gotta grab some pizza. I forgot. Oh yeah, I have no pizza. Maybe I didn't make any. Yes. Police officer. Ooh, you got tased. You getting arrested. Ooh. I broke her out. Oh, I'm in. Yeah, guys, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Gotta get my pistol. The pistol flashlight. How are we gonna get out? Here comes the cop! Here comes the cop! Here comes the cop! No! Couldn't do it. Guys, don't be mad at me. I'm gonna cheat. Do a little cheat. Do a little tiny cheat. Guess what? I'm gonna get a helicopter. Lock it for me. I break out with it. I'm a copper! I'm a copper! I'm a copper! Ooh! Okay. She's trying to kill me. What's the moral of the story? I'm taking a helicopter. We're gonna. Yeah. What the? What the? What the? See that thing? Comment down below if you guys saw that helicopter. Guys, gotta get out of here. Get out of the prison. I locked it. The helicopter. Helicopter falling! Oh, there's my helicopter. Hey, who is it? Oh, helicopter! 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 Everybody, helicopter! My head blends into it. Get in. Fellow prisoners, you can escape. Oh, fellow prisoners, I'm coming down for a landing. Get on. Fellow prisoners, sorry. I have to get out. We got one fellow prisoner. Take a crash landing. Go, 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 go. I'm still going. I do not know what they were doing. No. Do you see that helicopter cop is trying to get me? Oh, come on, helicopter. Oh my. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's trying to follow me. I could get up into the clouds. It won't see me. Expect me. Will never find me. Ah! 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 Never find me now. You will never find me. Will it see me when I come back down? Did it find me? Did it find me? I lost it. Ah! Train. Sweet. I'll be the first one to rob it. But first, I gotta get down. Okay. Guys, I gotta drop down from a high distance. I'm dropping down. Dropping down. Dang it, guys, again, that happened. No. No way. Couldn't get in it. It was too late. There is a motorcycle over there. I wanna purchase it. Wait. Ching! Bought it. Hacked. You guys are saying, Enzo, put the mobile garage. You guys want to see what happens when I put mobile garage? This. Oh, a guy that jumps like a crazy person. And guys, tomorrow I'm gonna be playing some Shark Bite. Dun 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 dun. How much money is the AK? No, I need to get a shotgun. Shotgun's better. Hey, motorcycle! I hate this vehicle. I could buy the Lambo. I'm gonna hack the Lambo. I hacked it! So when the Lambo spawns, I didn't buy it. Oh god, my god. Ooh, it even works with my mobile garage. Shout out Ghost 2! No one. They didn't comment down below. Guys, they comment down below! Bugatti. Is this a Ferrari? Oh, it's locked. It's not Ferrari. Hey, Bacon, enter my car. Wait. Yeah, guys, I texted. You have key? What is your key? You have key? You have key? Yes or no, little? You have key? Go, 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 go!